Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Shin Ramen, Fukuoka's iconic tonkotsu spot. Shin is a world-famous Hakata tonkotsu ramen restaurant in Fukuoka's Tenjin district, known for its rich pork bone broth, thin noodles, and generous toppings. Location and access. Address: 3-19 Tenjin, Kuoku, Fukuoka City, Fukuoka Prefecture. Nearby stations: 0.5-minute walk from Tenjin Station Subway Airport Line. 10-minute walk from Nishitetsu Fukuoka Station Tenjin Omuta Line. Other branches: Shin Fukuoka Airport Store opens June 11, 2026. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. What to expect? Shin is a small, unpretentious shop that draws long queues, especially at peak times. Japan Experience +1. It's a Hakata Junju ramen house, traditional Fukuoka-style tonkotsu ramen with raw, slow-cooked pork bones over 8 hours for a creamy, rich flavor, seasoned with salt and soy sauce. Noodles: thin, straight noodles ordered to order for perfect texture. Toppings: thick chassis pork, spring onions, bamboo shoots, soft-boiled egg in soy sauce. Customization: sesame seeds, garlic, chili, vinegar, and extra garnishes available. They also serve gyoza, champon fried rice with toppings, and izakaya dishes like grilled chicken sticks. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. Atmosphere and tips. Popularity. Celebrities have visited. Walls are lined with autographs. Queuing. Lines can wrap around nearby temples on holidays. Visit outside peak hours for shorter waits. Menu specials, lunch sets with gyoza or rice are available. Service: friendly staff. Quick turnover despite the crowd. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Why visit? Shin is considered a must-eat in Fukuoka for its authentic Hakata tonkotsu style, generous portions, and ability to balance rich broth with delicate noodles. It's also a cultural landmark in Tenjin, blending traditional ramen culture with a lively, local vibe. Tip: arrive early or during lunch for the best experience, and don't miss the gyoza and champon if you want a full Hakata meal. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.